The Aquasense 2 Pro combines the features of 5 devices into one compact, efficient robot, making pool maintenance a breeze. It starts with floor scanning to map out the area, then moves on to thoroughly clean the floor, picking up dirt and debris. After that, it scrubs the walls and waterline, ensuring every surface is spotless. Once the surfaces are done, it scans the water to locate floating debris like leaves and pollen. Using its advanced dual-layer filtration system, it cleans the water's surface before finishing up with automatic surface parking, making it easy to retrieve. Let's talk about something I didn't think a pool cleaner could solve: cloudy water. You know, that murky, dull look pools get after a while. The Aquasense 2 Pro deals with this using its clear water clarification system, and it's surprisingly clever. This clever little system works by binding dirt, oils, and fine particles into larger clumps that your filter can easily handle. If your pool needs a deep cleaning, the Aquasense 2 Pro is here to save the day. I'm honestly impressed by what it can do.